Okay, so everybody, we are going to do plant system today. Okay, I actually taught this topic last week. So this week it will be more like a revision. All right. Um, I hope that y'all basically, I don't think it's a lot of new information. So on the parts where it's basically new information from P3, I will try to slow down, especially for the newcomers. Okay. In the meanwhile, I want all of you to actually have writing material with you. So I want you to have a piece of paper and writing pen or pencil with you, please. Okay, go and get them if you don't have them. All right. And then I will jump into today's lesson. Okay, so we will go through the notes first. Then we will do the questions that you all were supposed to do as homework. Okay. So I'm teacher waiting. Along the way, if you want me to slow down or you have any questions for me, just speak into the mic directly. Just say teacher waiting. Can I clarify something or can you slow down? All right, don't put in the chat because I take some time to actually respond to the messages on the chat group. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, guys, can you draw this plant system for me? On a piece of paper that you have, I want you to draw something similar. Okay, basically what you need to have in your diagram. Okay, I want to see this portion, of course, the leaf. I need to see a flower. I need to see the stem. And I need to see the roots. Okay, try your best ability to draw what you see on the screen. Then we are going to label the parts and describe the functions of each part of the plant. Brian, please draw. Lucas, please draw. Cheslin, can you sit down first? I want you to draw the plant.
I don't know if the
Doesn't matter. You draw the plant now. Cheslin is mom. Okay, I hope we are done. We are going to start from the bottom, the roots. Okay, I shouldn't have said that. But basically, we are going to start with part D. Okay? Okay, Zixing, can you tell me what is part D of the plant? Cheslin, draw the plant. I want to see your notes at the end of today's lessons, okay? Is mom at home, Cheslin? Okay, I'm going to talk to her after today's lesson as well. Draw the plant and write down whatever I write on the screen. Okay, Zixing, what is part D of the plant?
roots.
Very good. Now, we have two functions of the roots that you need to know, okay? Miru, can you tell me the first function of the roots? Any function that you can think of?
It absorbs water
Only water?
and mineral salts
From where?
from the soil.
Good. So I want to see not only water, I need to see mineral salts and also from where? So from the soil. Very good, Miru. Okay, Lucas, can you tell me the second function of the roots? This is P3 work. Lucas, second function of the roots. Lucas, waiting for you. You know or you don't know? You don't know. Can someone help him? Caden. Lucas, I hope you're writing all this information down, yeah? Are you writing down? This is P3 information, so I'm surprised that you don't know the function of the roots. So you need to pay extra attention today. Caden, what's the second function of the roots?
To anchor the plant.
So I basically want to write, hold the plant firmly to the ground. Or what Caden said, anchor the plant. Caden, you need to say anchor to the ground, okay? Anchor plant to the ground. So these are the two functions of the roots. Are we clear, Lucas? Good. Okay, now let's look at part C. Lucas, can you tell me what is part C of the plant?
Stem.
Sorry?
Stem.
Good. What is the function of the stem, Lucas?
To hold the plant upright.
Why does the plant need to be upright? Very good. But why does the plant need to be upright, Lucas?
So it can get sunlight.
So the leaves can get sunlight, right? Good. So hold the plant upright. So leaves can get light. For what? Cheslin, why do the leaves need light? Huh? For what?
to
I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder?
make food.
To make food. So what is the process of making food? Starts with P. Photo?
Photosynthesis.
Yes. Cheslin, are you copying? Cheslin, I will ask to see your notes at the end of today's lesson, yeah? I will ask Mommy to take a picture of it. So better make sure you copy. Okay, Wen-Xing, what is the second function of the stem? Wen-Xing, what's the second function of the stem? You know or you don't know? I'm waiting for you. The whole class is waiting for you, dear. What else does the stem do? Miss Wen-Xing, can you please tell the class? Yes, do what?
Store food for some plants.
You're talking about storage stem, is it? Okay, that's only for some plants. But what is the main function of the stem? Transports what?
Water
Only water?
the and mineral salts
From the where to the where?
from the soil to the leaf.
From the soil? From which part of the plant? The stem. Transports water and mineral salts from where to all parts of the plant? Wen-Xing?
From the stem.
From the stem. We are talking about the
Roots.
stem here. Yes. What else does it transport? Guys,
Mineral
copy this
salt.
down. What? No, apart
Mineral-
from water and mineral salts, there's something else. What is the other thing that it transports? Wen-Xing, what is the other thing that it transports? Brian, can you help her? What is the other substance that is transported by the stem?
Nutrients.
Nutrients? Nutrients from where? Water and mineral salts is
soil.
already from the soil. No, water and mineral salts is already from the soil. So that's nutrients. What else is transported by the plant, by the stem? Who can help? Kaden, can you help?
Transports food, water, and mineral salts.
Okay, so we already talked about water and mineral salts, right? So now transports food from where to where, Wen-Xing? Thank you, Kaden. Wen-Xing transports food from where to where? Hurry up. The class is waiting. From where to where? One thing I'm asking you a question from where
Yeah.
to where? Huh?
From the
Where? Where is the food made? One thing, basic information. I taught this last week.
leaves.
Huh? From where? I can't hear you. One thing, can you please respond? If not, the class is going to drag out. Everybody is waiting. Come from where? Where is the food made? One thing.
Leaves.
Good. From leaves to all part of the plant. So one thing, can you remember? Not only water and mineral salts, I have food as well. Okay? Brian can? Okay. Brian, what do we have at B? What is part B?
Flower.
Good. So essentially the flower, you don't need to know that much. Okay, you will learn more about the flower in P5. All you need to know about the flower is it is the reproductive of the plant. So basically, the process of reproduction happens in the flower. Give me a minute. Okay, the process of reproduction happens in the flower. And the flower, okay, eventually becomes what? Midu? Miru? The flower eventually becomes what part of the plant? Do you know?
Becomes a fruit.
Very good. So guys, if I see a plant, you don't need to copy this, okay? I don't see flowers, but I see fruits. The thing, I can conclude that it's a what kind of plant? Flowering or non-flowering?
Flowering.
Good. Even if I don't see flowers, I see fruits. Lucas, it is a flowering plant because the fruit came from the flowers. Lucas, understand? Lucas, are you copying? I don't want to have to keep reminding you. You are P4 already. Okay, let's go to A. Jaslyn, what is part A?
Wait, no,
So it's only pointing to one leaf. So I spell singular. Okay? Jaslyn, please copy. Okay, Jaslyn, what is one function of the leaf? We have 3 functions that we need to know. You tell me the first function. Yes? What do the leaves do, Jaslyn? What? You are mumbling. I can't hear you. What does it do, Jaslyn?
it
Cannot. Yeah?
it helps to make the fruit.
Make food for the plant. Okay. So it traps what to make food? Traps what to make
It
food?
traps uh it traps